Here's the issue with so many filmmaking programs. The first type of program covers a ton of material, but costs upwards of $1,000. This can be a huge problem for a lot of people. The price tag alone raises that barrier to entry, and it takes away from money that you have to invest in gear. The other type of program takes just one portion of the filmmaking process, like lighting or editing, and dives really deep in that one part. But even those courses will cost hundreds of dollars, and you miss out on all the other aspects of filmmaking. Not only this, both programs only cover theory. No one's actually giving people the exercises they need to turn theory into skills through hands-on practice. This problem in the industry led us to create 14-Day Filmmaker, the world's first ever speed learning program for aspiring filmmakers. Throughout the course of this program, you'll learn every essential aspect of professional content creation, even if the most expensive camera you own is the one in your pocket. The best part, our program costs just about as much as it does to take your grandma out to a nice dinner at Applebee's. Here's what you'll learn on a day-to-day basis. Day one is all about your foundation and the fundamentals. What gear should I buy, and how the heck do I get started using it? Day two is lenses, focal lengths, and a deep dive into camera settings like frame rate and how to get the most out of the gear you currently own. Day three, you're getting hit with ideal image composition and camera angles. Learn to really separate yourself from the crowd by shooting cinematic and creative videos. Day four is all about movement, the various tools you can use and how to use them to blow people away. Whether you own a $5,000 gimbal or you're just shooting handheld, we've got you covered. Day five covers the holy grail of filmmaking knowledge, lighting. You're going to learn how to light everything from high-end commercial scenes with professional studio lights to budget-friendly scenes with lights you can probably find lying around your house. Day six, audio. Learn how to capture clean and professional sounding audio. Learn how to edit that audio, and finally, learn how to really bring your films to life with sound design. Days 7, 8, and 9 are all about the editing process. Let's take all of your footage and turn it into something that will absolutely blow people away. You'll learn exactly how to edit videos from start to finish. Like this commercial I shot for a tourism company in Costa Rica. You'll learn creative transitions, what effects to use, color correction and color grading, how to export your videos for the best results. Not to mention, I'll also explain exactly how I landed this job. I'll show you my conversation with the business that led to a free vacation for my girlfriend and I. On top of all that, we're also going to cover Adobe After Effects, another tool that gives you the ability to enhance your projects even more by adding motion graphics, animations, and other complex tasks. Day 10 is filled with behind-the-scenes job shadow trainings. Follow us along on actual commercial shoots. You'll be able to sit in and learn from our process of shooting highly profitable commercials. Then finally, days 11, 12, 13, and 14 are where you'll turn theory into reality as you write, shoot, edit, and organically release your first ever commercial, starting you on the path of turning your passion into a lifelong career. The thing that makes 14-Day Filmmaker different from all the other online programs and film schools out there is real-world implementation. Each day, you're given an exercise designed to level up your skills, and at the end of the 14 days, you will have released your first ever commercial. So right now, you're faced with a choice. You can continue trying to learn this skill set by binge watching videos on YouTube, hoping to find the answers to all the questions you've been asking. Or you can skip taking your grandma out to dinner just one time and enroll in 14-Day Filmmaker, where you can take your skills from amateur to professional. If this sounds like the program you've been looking for, click below and enroll today.